I was just walking along. Back behind me here, I heard a big crash. It's a little bit spooky. I don't know if a tree came down or if a bear fell out of a tree or something, but it was noisy. So I thought I'd fire this up just in case. So I got the GoPro on, but I don't know if it's still going or not. But I'm going to leave it on here for a bit just in case something shows up, because I don't know if something was running away from me and ran into something, knocked something over. It's pretty loud. What made it spooky is it was behind me. I was walking this way and a big bang behind me. I don't see anything moving. There are a lot of down trees in here, but I don't see anything that looks fresh. Yeah, I know it was behind me, so. But who knows which way it ran, if it's something alive anyway.